Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to make curtain rods on the cheap to cover this entire patio. Went to Lowe's, got some Conduit electrical pipes, PVC right here. They cost about $150 each. And I'm going to spray paint them. Alright, to spray paint, I'm gonna use this Rust-Oleum hammered textured silver can. Alright, I just finished spraying the couplers and the two elbows to make it go all the way around connected. Now it's time to dry. For the curtains, I'm using Lil by IKEA. They are on sale right now, $4.99 for a pack of 2. They are extra long lace curtains. Alright, to hang the curtains, I'm gonna make my own brackets. I went to Lowe's, got these corner braces, one-hole straps, where you can see the curtain rod is gonna sit in the stip. Bolts. Take the bracket, you're gonna line the one strap hole just like this, stick through the bolt, and tighten it up. Here it is, 15 curtain brackets for around $13. First one hung up. To extend them, use the couplers. Alright, and that's how it's supposed to look, all assembled, only missing the curtains. You know, I didn't show you guys, I had to make a couple extra cuts, but this is really dependent on the size of your front porch. So it's wrapped around. Alright, here's the finished product. Got the entire front porch enclosed for less than $100. Made the curtain rods myself. Got the curtains from IKEA.